This video deals with installing OpenCart from the control panel. To go to our control panel, we can either click the link in the email that we received from Airvex when we registered our account, or simply type in http://cpanel dot your domain name and .com, etc. So just click on this quite simply. It brings us to our control panel. As I was here before, I'm already pre-populated in these fields, so I'll just click login. We can look at this video here about getting started with our control panel. Very useful. Right now we'll just skip that. We scroll down the page until we come to Softcalis Apps Installer, and as you can see we've got OpenCart icon here, so we just click on the OpenCart icon. Now up here we see install. So we click install there like this, and there is nothing to do really, unless we have more than one domain name associated with the account. We see our domain here. Now, this is very important. This is a directory on our website. So to get to our software when it's installed, we would have to type in our domain name with a / plus OCart if we leave this here. So we're going to delete this and leave it blank. And now this is a field here deals with the name of our database. It's automatically just called OCAR446 here. We can call it a demo or anything we want, just so that we know what it is. These fields here are our store name, etc. We can fill these in now, or we can do it later on the back end of the site. I'm just going to leave it for now. Our username for the back end of the site is usually admin. This can be anything. This can be the boss, or it can be whatever you like. And we choose a password here. Very sophisticated one I've chosen. And next we will put in an email here relevant to our store. So I just put in an email, info@demoisoh.com. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it into the installation details field down here. Now when the software is installed, it will email the installation details, including our password, to this email address down here. So then click install. Now because I had already installed it before, it's showing me this error. It's saying that it's finding the htaccess file. Now we can select the checkbox to overwrite all files and continue. That's what I'll be doing here, but if you had already got OpenCart installed and you had some products or content on the website, you wouldn't do this because it will get overwritten. But as this is a new install for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to take the overwrite files. Back down here and just click install. This will only take a few moments. OpenCart has been installed successfully at demoshop.com, and to log into the back end of OpenCart we have demoshop.com/admin. So let's just go over there and make sure. Yep, there we go, all done. And if we just go to the back end of the site, make sure everything is okay there. There we go, and we'll click login just to make sure. Yep, okay, that's it. OpenCart is installed and ready for use from the control panel.